although this is a very short etude, it's actually a little tricky because here we don't have a lot of open strings. They're getting kind of scarce, and connecting each interval here is critical. So precision is key. We're going between strings, and you have to maintain really just high quality maneuverability to make sure the sound is acceptable. In fact, not just acceptable, high quality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.